Speaker sir, this question is related to fishermen and the fish lovers of Goa. Speaker sir, question हो हा की म्हाका दिसता गेले assembly sessionan 1 year back येयल्लो traditional fishermen रापोणकार व्हडलें एजिटेशन जालें आदीं जाल्लें की LED lights are being used. Bull trawling is being done within the coastline of Goa, within the Goan waters, and thereby ह्या आमचे नुस्तेकार आहा ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन आहा हांकां जे फीश मेळोंक जाय ते मेळना उणें मेवता. हांव एक सभागृहाच्या नोंदरे काडूंक सोदता की जेन्ना हांव गोंया भायर गेल्लो इंडिये भायर गेल्लो थिंगासरूय अहें फीश डिक्लायन जायत रावलें. एक कंट्रीन फीश डिक्लायन जाले ते आतां बासा खाता. LED लायट ज्यो व्हडले हे बोटी यूज कोत्ता ट्रॉलर्स जे यूज कोत्ता LED लायट्स ते गव्हर्मेंटान एक आन्सर तूं कोत्तले LED लायट जे यूज कोत्ता अरे खबर what is the Speaker sir, what will the minister do to stop this and give justice to the fishermen of Goa, the Raponkars of Goa?
Speaker sir, I know our honorable MLA is quite concerned about the traditional fishermen, and as fish is very dear to all of us, I can understand his sentiments. But Speaker sir, whatever he has said about the LED lights are banned within our territorial waters. LED lights are banned within our territorial waters. So we have taken all steps to ban LED lights.